In this video I will show you the chocolate lip treatment to get soft pink lips naturally. You will need 1 teaspoon cocoa butter, half teaspoon chocolate chips, 1 vitamin E capsule. What you have to do? Step 1. Melt the chocolate chips and the cocoa butter in a double boiler. Step 2. Add the vitamin E to the chocolate bomb. Step 3. Pour the bomb in a container. Step 4. Allow it to cool before using. How often do you need to do this? You can use this as often as you want when your lips feel dry. Why this works? Dry lips are difficult enough to contend with. But did you know that dryness itself can darken your lips? Cocoa butter helps your lips retain the much-needed moisture. Chocolate, which is rich in the antioxidant resveratrol, inhibits melanin production that prevents the darkening of your lips.